moisture, moisture. Where's the moisture? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You stop sneezing on me and I'll love you even more. Where's the mush? Oh, where's the mush? Where's the mush? You're a good baby. Oh, I love you. Let's take you home and make some soup out of you.
Did you just say you want to take my dog home and make soup out of him?
Make some soup out of you. Yeah, I'm gonna take you home and make some soup out of you. Yeah. You make some soup. You make some soup. He's growling at me.
That's just his playful growl.
You want some soup? You wanna make some soup?
Oh,
You wanna make some soup? Yeah.
just don't touch his tail. He should be good.
You want some soup? You want some soup? Hey, you make some soup? You want some soup? Where's the soup? Where's the soup?
He's like, what is soup? Toby.
Where's the soup, Toby? You want me some soup? Split pea? Chicken noodle? Chicken noodle it is! It's chicken noodle! It's chicken noodle!
I don't know why he's growling like
Yeah,
that.
good boy. Are you just playing? Are you just playing? Is that how you play? You're just a dog, Teller. Teller, you're just a dog.
Tina's like, I'm moving out of the way.
Just a dog. He's a dog. Just a dog. Are you just a dog? Ew, put away! Put away! Oh, where's the boy? Oh, get him. Where's him? Go get him. Get him. I know what you're like. Where's the boy? Yeah, good boy. Good boy, Toby. He's a good boy. Go get him. Oh, get him. Yes, I am. Stop growling. Go get you. Excited.
Yeah, we know. I'm gonna pee.
He's peeing?
Tina said she's gonna pee.
Oh, so look at him pee.
I'm so glad I have this on video.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get you.